Hey guys, welcome back. We set up the scene and we'll now go to scripting. We're going to create the ball actually. We would like to bounce when it hits the edges. So we will start with the ball. I chose the ball and then I will go to the events category and I will choose flag. When flag is clicked actually, I would like to instantiate my ball to be in where it is right now actually. So I would like to go to X19 and Y41. This is actually where it is right now. If you see, it is exactly the center of the ball. It is in about 19 and 41. So I would like each time that I hit the flag to go to this position, and then I would like to turn 15 degrees so that I will have a rotating ball that will move forever. So I will go to control. I will choose forever. I will drag and drop it right there. You see that each command have to click so that I have a script right there. So I would like forever to move 10 steps, and if the ball is on the edge, I would like to bounce. This is my script, so let's try it and see the result. Whoop. Let's try it again. Very nice. Okay, if you would like to make the ball to move a little bit slower, you have to make it 5 steps to move, so it is something slower. Very nice. So let's go to the bricks. Actually this brick have to disappear each time that hits the ball. So I will choose this brick, sprite 1, and I will say that when flag is clicked, I would like to go where it is right now. So I will choose this command, and actually I would like to make it appear, because I will then make it disappear when it hits the ball. So I will make it be shown, and what I would like is forever. If the brick touches the ball, so I'm going to sensing category. If touches I choose ball, then I would like to disappear, to hide, and to send a message that this brick is hit. So I would like to go to the events and broadcast message 1, or I can have a new message name. I will name it hit. Very, very nice. So let's try it. Oh no, it didn't hit my brick, but I think this time it will hit it. Very nice. But actually, I would like the ball when it hits this brick to also change direction. So I will go back to ball and I will say that when I receive hit, then I would like to point in the opposite direction. So I will point in direction that will be the opposite. So I will go to operators, choose the minus, and I will choose 180 minus the direction that it is right now. Very nice. Finally, what I would like to do with the ball is if it hits the paddle, should also point in the opposite direction. So I will go to control, if sensing categories, if it touches the paddle, then I would like to be in the I can actually duplicate this command because it's a complex run and have this thing. I would also like to game over, to stop the game if it hits my deadline. I will actually rename sprite2. I will name it as deadline, and then I will go back to ball and I will say that if it touches the deadline, then I would like to stop everything. So I will go to control and I will choose stop everything. Very, very nice. And finally, I'm going to program my basic paddle. So I will go again to the events. When flag is clicked, I would like to go to where it is right now, and forever I would like to change only the X direction. So I will go to motion, I will choose change or set X to where it is my mouse, so that I have to control the paddle with my mouse. I will go to mouse X. Very nice. So let's see it. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. And then if I start the flag again, I have this brick again be shown. So I will go to sprite 1 and I will try to duplicate the sprite, either by doing this, or even by doing this. So I will have sprite 2, then I will have sprite 3, sprite 4, sprite 5, sprite 6, and sprite 7, and sprite 8, and sprite 9. I have 9 bricks. I think I will place it there, but you can actually very nice. So I will place it there, and then there, in this place, here. You can place them wherever you want actually. I made a mistake. I have to the reason that this mistake was made, because you will see that each time I duplicate each sprite, each brick, it says that it should go to X minus 162 and 88. So every brick goes to the same position and it's one above the other. So I have to place them again in the right position and change a little bit the script so that it will go to different positions, to these positions actually, each time we start the game. Very nice. Now I will go to sprite 1, I will leave it there. Sprite 2, you will see that if you go in the mouse category, you have other X and Y, so I drop this command and I will do this. I will go to sprite 3, I will take this command off and I will take this one. Sprite 4, again the same, take this off, take this in, sprite 5, take this off, take this in, sprite 6, sprite 7, and sprite 10. So, I think my game is ready. Nice. Very nice. Two more. Okay. Oops. Game over. I will see you in the next lesson.